this video we are going to solve two more examples on probability distribution. So let's see the first example. Two cards are randomly drawn with replacement from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability distribution of the number of ace cards drawn. Here we have to find the probability distribution of number of ace cards among the two cards drawn with replacement. So here consider a random variable x which denotes the number of ace cards among the two cards drawn with replacement. So the possible values of x are 0, 1 and 2. 0 means there is no any ace card. 1 means only one ace card and 2 means both are ace cards. So here the draws are with replacement. So the outcomes are independent of each other. Now here 4 ace cards. 4 ace cards in a pack of 52 cards. We know that 4 ace cards in a pack of 52 cards. So probability of ace card is equal to 4 out of 52 and shortest form is 1 upon 30. So probability of ace cards is equal to 1 upon 30. Similarly, we can find out the probability of non-ace card. We know that the non-ace cards means the remaining cards are called non-ace cards. So 52 minus 4, that is 48. All non-ace cards are 48 upon 52. So probability of non-ace cards are 48 upon 52, that is 12 by 30. This is the probability for failure and this is the probability of success, because the success is the number of ace cards and the probability of failure means probability of non-ace card is 12 by 30. Now using this probability we can find out the probability for every value of x, 0, 1 and 2. So here we can find out the probability of x is equal to 0, that is both are non-ace card. X is equal to 0 means there is no ace cards, means both are non-ace cards. That is probability of first card is non-ace card and the second card is also non-ace card. So probability of non-ace card and probability of non-ace card is 12 by 13. So product of first non-ace card is 12 by 13 and the probability of non-ace card, second non-ace card is 12 by 13 and product of both the non-ace card is 144 upon 169. In this way we can find out the probability for x is equal to 0 means there is no any ace card is 144 upon 169. Now the probability of x is equal to 1 means probability of one card is any one card is ace card and the second card is non-ace card. So there are two possibilities non-ace card. First possibility is first ace card and second one is non-ace card and the second possibility is first one is non-ace card and second is ace card. So the addition of these two possibilities can be written as probability of ace card and non-ace card 1 upon 13 into 12 by 13. Probability of non-ace card is 12 by 13 plus probability of non-ace card is 12 by 13 into probability of ace cards for the second possibility 1 by 13, and addition of these two possibilities 12 by 169 plus 12 by 169, that is 24 by 169. So probability for x is equal to 1 is 24 by 169. Now the next value for x is equal to 2, that is both are ace cards. So probability of first ace card and second card is also ace card, and this probability can be written as probability of first ace card is 1 by 13 and second ace card is 1 by 13. This is only one possibility, so the product of both the ace card is equal to 1 upon 169. In this way we get the probability for each value of x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So we can be written as the probability distribution in the tabular form. Probability distribution of x is equal to xi, and probability of x is equal to xi. Possible values of x are 0, 1, 2, and their corresponding probabilities are: for x is equal to 0, the probability is 144 upon 169 for x is equal to 0. 144 upon 169. Probability for x is equal to 1 is 24 by 169, and probability for x is equal to 2 is 1 upon 169. So students, here we get the probability distribution of every value of x, and the possible values of x are 0, 1, 2, and their corresponding probabilities are 144 upon 169, 24 by 169, and 1 upon 169. Now let's see the next example. A fair die is thrown. Let x denote the number of factors of the number on the upper face. Find the probability distribution of x. Here random experiment is fair die is thrown one time. If a fair die is thrown, then the sample space is equal to, then the sample space S is equal to the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of points in this experiment is 6. Now here the random variable x denotes the number of factors of the number on the upper face. Here x is equal to the number of factors. Number of factors of the number on the upper face of the die. So here we have to find out the number of factors of each number in this experiment. So find out the number of factors. X of 1 is equal to, that is number of factors of first element in S is only 1. Now number of factors of 2. Number of factors of 2 is 1 and 2. That is number of factors are 2. Here roughly we will find out the number of factors of 1 is equal to 1. Number of factors of 2 is equal to 1 and 2. That is number of factors is equal to 2. number of factors of 3, 1 and 3, that is number of factors 2. The number of factors of 4 is equal to 1, 2 and 4, that is number of factors are 3. Number of factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5 only, so number of factors are 2. Number of factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Number of factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So number of factors are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can be written as the number of factors of each number, such as x of 2 is 2, x of 3. Number of factors of 3 are also 2. Number of factors of 4 is equal to 3. Number of factors of 5 is equal to 2, 1 and 5. So number of factors are 2. And number of factors of x of 6 is equal to 4. Total number of factors are 4. So here possible values of x are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Possible values of x are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Probability for each number x is equal to, so here probability of x is equal to 1 is number of x is equal to 1 upon total number of n of s is equal. Total number of sample points are 6. So we can be written as number of factors of x is equal to 1 is only one number, 1 upon 6. Probability for x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 indicate factors of x is equal to 2 upon n of s. Here there are 3 numbers 2, 3 and 5 whose factors are 2. So here probability for x is equal to 2 is 3 numbers. So probability is 3 by 6. Now the probability for x is equal to 3 means number of factors are 3. So here only one number whose number of factor is 3 and that number is 4. So only one number for x is equal to 3. So the probability for x is equal to 3 is 1 by 6. Now probability for x is equal to 4 is equal to number of x is equal to 4 upon number of s is equal to, there is only one number whose factor is, number of factor is 4. So the probability for x is equal to 4 is 1 upon 6. In the distribution can be written as probability distribution can be written as x and probability for x is equal to x. Possible values of x are 1, 2, 3 and 4 and their corresponding probabilities are 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. In this way we get the probability distribution of the number of factors of the number on the upper face.